Hello and welcome to Leaderboard, the daily masterclass for business. Today's theme is personal development, and today's lesson is Jordan Peterson's principles to help you through the chaos of life, part 2. Jordan Peterson has emerged as a champion of free speech since he posted a video online criticizing the political correctness of Canada's language laws and explaining that he would refuse to use invented pronouns. Today, he continues to lecture widely on various online platforms where he maps out psychological issues that affect us all. Peterson has quickly become the go-to expert on conservative politics and human thought processes. Today we will look at some more of his foundational ideas. 1. Discipline exists to prevent error. Without the ability to form and keep good habits consistently, and to change when we encounter new information, it is impossible to grow. It is necessary to have a set of rules that we stick to and follow so that we are not drawn into repeating mistakes. 2. No job is ever beneath you. Each task that we perform, we must complete to the best of our ability. It is important to set the best example that we can in all areas of our life. It makes little difference if we are at work or at home. We must always strive for excellence. 3. We all have to help ourselves. Our quality of life depends on our thoughts and actions being in line with our beliefs. We help others by setting high standards and a good example. Everything is always impossible until it is done. We should be careful not to do things for people that they should do for themselves. 4. You should feel good about who you could be, not who you are. Work on your trajectory and build your confidence. If necessary, then backplan from where you wish to be to where you are. Each process involves a number of precise stages that must be completed in the correct order. Be creative and enjoy the opportunities that you have. Make time for play as well as work, and use your hobbies to grow your inner abilities. Each thing that you do should have the effect of strengthening who you are. To be all that you can be, then you must not be afraid to take risks and experience failures. Think about your choices and your chances. Today's keywords and phrases are emerge, invent, consistent, strive, depend, trajectory, precise, and strengthen. Thank you very much for taking time today to go through Leaderboard, the daily masterclass for business. Wherever you are, I wish you a fantastic day.